He has done it again. And honestly, it's unbelievable. Before we continue, take a second. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with me because this story matters. At a time when Jamaica is still hurting, still rebuilding, still trying to breathe after disaster, one name quietly showed up again. Not with noise, not with cameras, but with action: Usain Bolt. Hurricanes don't just destroy buildings. They destroy routines, they destroy classrooms, they interrupt dreams. They leave students wondering if school will ever feel normal again. They leave teachers trying to teach without walls, without materials, without certainty. And while the headlines move on, the people stay behind with the damage. But Usain Bolt didn't move on. Together with Puma, he donated 5 million Jamaican dollars each to SDTHS and William Nib. And that number might sound simple to some people, but to Jamaica, it is massive. It is roofs repaired, it is desks replaced, it is lights coming back on. It is students returning to classrooms instead of staying home in fear. What makes this hit so hard is not just the money, it's the meaning. This is a man who has nothing left to prove. He ran faster than anyone in history. He broke records the world said were impossible. He stood on podiums while the entire planet watched. He could have walked away and no one would have blamed him. But he didn't, because Jamaica isn't just where he's from, it's who he is. Look at that image again. No suit, no stage, no medals. Just Usain Bolt in the middle of reality. Sweat on his skin, dirt around him. Helping, present, human. That picture hurts in a quiet way, because it reminds you that real heroes don't always shine. Sometimes they kneel, sometimes they give, sometimes they stay. These schools are not random names. They are places where future leaders are sitting right now. Future doctors, future athletes, future teachers, kids who grew up watching Bolt run, believing that greatness could come from a small island. Kids who needed help at the exact moment when hope felt fragile. And he showed up for them. So many people gain success and forget where it started. Fame changes them, wealth distances them. But Usain Bolt keeps coming back. Again and again and again. Not because he has to, but because he cares. He gave Jamaica pride when it needed something to celebrate. And now he's giving Jamaica support when it needs something to survive. That's a different kind of greatness. That's legacy. This is why his name still means something. Not just in record books, but in homes, in schools, in communities trying to rebuild after loss. Usain Bolt has done it again. Not with speed, not with medals, but with heart. And that might be his greatest win yet.